All right, so let's talk concealer. One of my favorite all-time concealers is the Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. This concealer is so beautiful. There's a wide range of colors. It's so clean and it does not settle into fine lines. It doesn't crease. And it's just one of the most lovely feeling concealers as well. So I wanna show you guys the difference. I wanna do just one side first and then you can see kind of the difference, because technically you could also use this just as spot treatments and under the eyes and work that into your skin, and also use this just as your foundation. So it pairs well with all other bareMinerals foundations, and it's just a really lovely, lovely concealer to wear. So I have vitiligo, so I tend to mix colors typically. So what I'm gonna do is add just 2 dots of the light and 1 of the medium, well, maybe 2. Light, medium, 2.5. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger, just because I get better coverage with my vitiligo when I use my finger. I'm able to kind of build it a little bit more, and I don't know, I just think that maybe warming it up with my finger just tends to work better. So what I like to do on myself, but on my clients I obviously don't use my fingers, but I am all for using fingers. As you guys know, the Original Liquid Mineral Foundation we always like to wear with our fingers as well. So I just want you guys to see the difference right now. And as you saw, I literally put 3 little dots of concealer under one eye, and look at the payoff I've gotten all the way through. So you can see this eye still got its pink undertones, and this eye just looks kind of like I just took the best nap of life. So I love that. And it just feels so good, and it looks so good, and it's not gonna settle into any lines from my tired mom eyes. So I'm going to even out my other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to pair this with the all-time #1 Original Loose Foundation Powder from bareMinerals. So let me catch up on the other side. All right, so now that I've evened out my complexion with just 2-3 dots of concealer under each eye, it's really light, it's really gentle, and it's already kind of smoothed down but doesn't feel dry. It still feels hydrated, which is what I love. So let's talk about the Original powder, an all-time fave that we use all the time. And I'm not sure if you guys know about this incredible brush. It's the Beautiful Finish brush. And this helps achieve the swirl, tap, and buff routine that I'm about to show you guys. So what's so cool about this powder foundation, and it's got sheer to full coverage. So you have options. So you're going to take your brush inside of your powder. You're going to swirl it. You're going to tap it. And then you're going to buff it into your skin. And it's such like a luxurious way to apply as well. I really genuinely love applying this. Like, it's just such a lovely application, and it's so easy. And so you're just kind of going in circles around, and you can see how well it pairs with the concealer. So I'm going to swirl it, I'm going to tap it, and then I'm going to buff it. And I love this product as a little extra coverage on a liquid. I love it by itself, and I also love it to do a touch-up later on in the day when I maybe have plans and I don't want to have to redo my makeup. So as you can see, I've got pretty amazing coverage, you guys. Like, look at that. Yeah. And I don't feel like I'm wearing anything, again, which is why I love bareMinerals so very much. It truly makes the world of difference when you don't feel like you're wearing a lot of makeup. And so I also love to just touch up with my brush before I leave the house, like a quick matte down, and voila. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick and easy 2-item look to get effortlessly beautiful skin using the All-Star Original Liquid Mineral Concealer and the Original OG Powder. I love this pairing. You can use the concealer by itself. You can use the powder by itself. You can use the concealer and the powder with the Fat Liquid Foundation. You really have so many options to pair. So do me a favor, guys. Share, tag, post. I really want to see everything. I want to know how you guys feel about this. I want to see what combinations you make. So tag me, tag bareMinerals. Let's talk. Let's see what you guys have and what you guys want to see. Thanks so much. Bye.